Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll learn about three common GIS software: ArcGIS, QGIS, and Google Earth Engine. First, ArcGIS. Think of ArcGIS as a full toolbox. It has many powerful tools to analyze data and make maps. For example, a city planner can use ArcGIS to check population, roads, and flood zones before building new housing. It is very professional, but it is paid software. Next is QGIS. QGIS is free and open source. That means anyone can download and use it without cost. It is simple, flexible, and also have many plugins. For example, a student can use QGIS to map trees in a campus or study the land cover changes. It is great for learning and research. Finally, Google Earth Engine. This one is cloud based, which means you don't need to install heavy software. It is best for big datasets like satellite images. For example, if you want to study climate change over 30 years, Google Earth Engine can process that data quickly in online. So in short, we can say ArcGIS is professional and powerful tools, QGIS is free, flexible, and great for beginners, and Google Earth Engine is cloud-based, perfect for big data and environmental studies. So choosing the right software depends on your project, just like choosing the right tool for the job. Thank you everyone.